to Mirabai. That was the presence of these children. I'm sure each one of you must have had the goosebump, which I'm still facing. This is what education is all about, you know, to teach them the essence, the value, the culture, the discipline, the honesty, the integrity. All this is embodied in education. And that is why we wanted you to be here to witness this performance. And hence I divided into different sections so that all of you could comfortably see the performance of these children. I mean, मुझे लगता है बड़े बड़ों को भी मात दे दी उन्होंने अपने इस ऐतिहासिक कार्यक्रम से. जोरदार तालियां इन बच्चों के लिए और विशेषकर हमारी टीचर्स के लिए. आगे आ जाइए, एंकर्स आगे आ जाइए. एक एक टीचर्स आई थिंक इन्होंने जो एफर्ट दिया था, समय ज़रूर लगा. इट टुक अस टाइम बिकॉज बहुत पहले से अनाउंसमेंट हो चुकी थी कि हम एक क्लास वाइज परफॉर्मेंस देंगे. बट there was a lot of thoughts behind it, there was a lot of purpose behind it, there was a lot of meaning behind it. It was not just कि आइए और डांस परफॉर्मेंस देखिए and that was it. We wanted to give you a message. I think the message is loud and clear. The children have done that, the teachers have done that. I salute you for that. Hats off to all of you to live up to the expectation of the Kalka group of institution, that we belong to an institution which believes in honesty, which believes in integrity, which believes in quality of education. Thank you teachers and thank you parents. A proud parents are witnessing the performance of their proud children. Girls have made it, they will keep on doing it. Hip hip! Hooray for all the girls and the boys who quietly also supported them nicely, gave them that support which we need, because without that I think we are incomplete. So it's the gender does matter, the boy and the girl together. We have built a beautiful performance together. Thank you boys and girls. Looking forward next year again for much better and a different idea of performance next year. Thank you all. Thank you so much.